What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Damon back with another video. I've been trying to post or try to find some shit to do to post on my channel to keep consistency, but it'd be crazy rain down here in Florida, bro. So I haven't really been outside and all that shit. I went out last night and shit. Crazy rain, feel me? But it's not raining today, so I'm gonna give y'all some content today. I'm gonna just go inside one of my cars and just do some crazy shit. Yo, I want to go jet skiing right now, so I just called him up, send a deposit. So we're finna just go do some jet ski and some car shit, you feel me? Honestly, I don't even know. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like and subscribe and turn post notifications on. And just watch the whole entire video. And if y'all fuck with it, I mean, fuck with it or not, nigga, like that shit. So we're finna just go outside, bro. We're finna just go do some jet ski. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm downstairs, bro. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, so we're going to be driving the M3 today because it's possibly gonna rain and all that shit, so I'm gonna be driving the M3 and yeah, this shit is fire. So want to show y'all first things first. Let me start the car. This is cold start for y'all. I'm gonna have to show y'all that shit after, bro, because I'm gonna have to show y'all after, bro, because it's mad noise, making mad noise right now. But yeah, as y'all can see, I did got a diffuser on my G80. Just got a new diffuser on it. So I thought when I searched it up, it says Miami jet ski right down in downtown.
I know. I just sent you the address. That's why I sent you the address.
Okay, that's fine then. It says I'll be there in like 20 minutes.
Alright, no problem.
Alright, bet. I'm gonna come down there. Big Hill Park, right?
Yep.
Alright, got you.
Alright, bye.
Yeah. Yo, this is crazy, chat, because this shit is weird, bro, because I searched this shit up. That shit says it's downtown, shows the location and everything, shows videos of them on the jet ski and everything, bro. But now when I fucking call, he sent me the address, that shit is like all the way down, bro. Like, what the fuck? But then, if that's the case, bro, we're gonna be driving the Z06, bro, because it's the weekend and that's like my weekend car. So we're gonna be driving the Z06, my nigga. Fuck that. No, this shit doesn't want to close up, oh boy. So yeah, we're just gonna drive the Z06, bro. If that's the case, give y'all boys a little. If you don't be driving that motherfucker, what am I leaving in this? But I'm not gonna cap though, bro. The M3 is tough, don't get me wrong. Love that shit, bro. But since we're gonna go a good distance, might as well drive the Z06, right? I'm just glad that I got options type shit. So yeah. Cold start for y'all real quick. Hold up, we're gonna take the top off too, bro. Show y'all what's going on. Alright. You got a cold start first, bro. This shit's loud as fuck. Also making the headers for my car, you feel me? So I just gotta wait and be patient and wait on them and see what's going on. But the Z06 is gonna get crazy, yo. Alright, y'all. Damn. Crazy shit is, bro. I'm hot as fuck up in this bitch, bro, but crazy ass Z06 and my M3. But we're taking out a beast today, bruh. We're driving the Z06 today, bro. Alrighty. Hopefully, since I got a mic, this shit is not too windy, but should be good. This shit start. Yeah, I hear that. Oh, this shit start burbling, bro. Like this shit start burbling like crazy and shit. I'm not gonna cap. I fuck with that. Shit start burbling like. Anytime I put the editors on the car, bro, that shit is gonna be way louder. So that's good. And my ass needs gas, bro. Fucking 30 minutes away from, we're like 30 minutes away from the spot that we're going to. Shit is wild though, overview. Shit got me driving like all over the place. I don't know, I'm not gonna cap to y'all, but I kind of like this view right here though. I think I'm gonna have to give y'all a little POV. I'm gonna have to set up 2 cameras. I'm gonna put 1 camera right here so y'all can see the POV driving there, and I'm gonna leave this camera right here, bro. I'm gonna give y'all a POV probably the next video, just like that. Man, I'm going straight, bro. Fuck this. Yo, what's y'all thought in twin turbos, bro? Like, should I twin turbo this bitch, bro? I don't know. Let me know what y'all think if I should twin turbo this car, bro. Oh, I think it's the guy for the jet ski that was just calling me just now. Tell him that, yo, I'm almost there, bro. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, just wondering how far you guys were from the location.
I'm less than 10 minutes.
Less than 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. So what time did it say you arrive exactly? Just so I know. Did I have another group here? That way I know.
4:05.
4 or 5? Okay.
Yeah.
Are you guys coming in Uber or driving?
I'm driving.
Okay. All right, I'll see you here.
All right, then. This shit does look low-key tough, though, not gonna cap. What the fuck? I'm like, what the fuck? Bro, this nigga got me driving in the wild. Like, where the fuck is this, bro? Look at the road down here. That shit, look at the fucking water. I'm gonna have to drive over that shit, bro, and I just fucking cleaned my car, bro. That's the crazy part, bro. Like, what the fuck, my nigga? I'm gonna have to drive slow over this bitch, bro, because I'm not trying to drown my car in this water right here. And this shit seems like it's gonna rain too, bro. That's the crazy thing about it. Shit seems like it's gonna rain and all that shit. Hey, what's going on? I called you about the jet ski?
You for the jet ski?
Yeah.
You're the one that went to the address downtown?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were with somebody, that's why.
Oh, nah, just me.
Alright, pull in here.
I bet. Alright, y'all, so let's see what's going on. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. This shit is gonna fuck my car up. What kind of road is this, my boy? Got you. This road is crazy bad though, not gonna cap, but it is what it is. This shit is crazy bad, bro. Alright, I'm parking right shit right here, bro. Fuck that. Park my shit right here, bro. What I'm about to do right now is that I'm just gonna put the top on the car, feel me? And I'm Gucci. Alright, bro. I'm gonna cap. This shit is so fucking clean, chat, but. Bro, this shit is so clean, bro. Show ya, we over here right now. By the water, bro. Shit, it's gonna be lit as fuck.
Stay away from each other.
So are they coming or what?
You can hop. That chain.
What's it over there?
Hey, Khalid, let me get a chain for one of these. You feel that big game? You feel that big game? I'll grab your shit. You don't want to be that big hard as fuck. That nigga was fun.
Yo, how deep is this?
Not that deep.
No? Like how much?
Probably like 6 feet.
For real?
7 feet.
Like 7 feet, bro? For real? Because I could see the bottom kind
I mean,
of.
right now it's high tide. Right now it's high tide, so it's like when it gets low, it all depends. But right now it's probably like 9 feet. But when it's low, it gets like 7 feet.
Gotcha, gotcha.
Pretty low this whole area.
Yeah.
You from Miami?
Nah, New York, yeah. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, I'm over here in the jet ski right now. This is my first time in a fucking jet ski, bro, but I'm not gonna cap. This shit is fun as fuck. And this shit is easy to ride, bro. I remember somebody was telling me that it's not that easy because the tides or the whatever the fucking case is, but this shit is easy, bro. Look at them motherfuckers. But driving a car is way easier though, you feel me? What the fuck are they doing over there? But yo, I'm not gonna cap to y'all boys, yo. I'm not gonna cap to y'all, but this shit is fun as fuck. I'm gonna be outside doing this shit every fucking day. I just hope there's no sharks and shit, bro, because my life is worth way more than anything else right now, bro, but this shit is low-key fun. I think I'm gonna go out further right now. I gotta just be careful and just wait and let all of those people pass and shit. But damn, bro, this shit is so fucking fun. Look at them motherfuckers over there. Remember, I don't know these people, bro. I don't know them. I just rented this shit. Came out here by myself. Feel me? I don't know these motherfuckers, but this shit is fucking lit. I'm about to go out deep, but I'm trying to make sure that they fucking. Crazy ass shit right now. Yo, somebody fell off the jet ski, bro. We're gonna go over there right now. Look. Okay, I'm gonna get over there when they go up.
Well, once everybody's done, then pull up.
Alright, bet, got you. Alright, bet. You say rent over with him, I see me for loss. Right now, yo, Chad, bro, do you see who fell off the fucking jet ski, bro? Like, look at him. That's crazy, yo. Damn, son. I feel bad for them, but I'm just glad it wasn't me. I feel bad for them, but I'm just glad it wasn't me. Yo, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Yo, money, yo, this is not even that deep, right? But no, like 8 feet. But if I was supposed to fall off over in this bitch, bro, I'd be like, what the fuck? Cause yo, I know there's sharks out here and shit, bro. I'm not trying to fall out over this motherfucker. Hell no. Alright, money, I'm gonna call you back.
Alright, later, be safe.
Alright, bet. Alright, y'all, so make sure my camera is good in good spot. It's over right now. We're finna leave right now. You feel me? But hold up. That's crazy that they fell off the jet ski, bro. It's crazy as hell. My turn. How can I add? This is crazy as fuck, bro. Because, alright, look at this shit, bro. Look at these niggas right here. I don't know, like I told y'all, I don't know them, bro, but this is fucking crazy, bro. Look at these fucking houses, bro. Like, I hope y'all can see this shit, bro. Look at this fucking house. This nigga right here got a yacht at the back of his crib. You know what I'm saying? This fucking house is a fucking glass house. These niggas got money around here, bro. You know what I'm saying? And it's just so crazy, bro. Like I be telling y'all, bro, there's so many different levels to life, bro. You know what I'm saying? Niggas out here probably enjoying these jet ski like myself right now, enjoying this shit for fucking like, what, a day? These niggas out here got that shit at the back of their crib, go outside and do this shit every fucking day, bro. You feel me? But I'm like, yo, I could buy a jet ski, whatever the case is, but does it even make sense, bro, when I don't even got a crib yet? You get what I'm saying? But eventually, I have all these shit that I want, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the work in progress right now. And I'm gonna get all of that. I'm not even stressing it, bro. Like, I don't stress over shit, bro. I'm never stressed. I'm just living my life for the most part, bro. But I'm definitely gonna buy a jet ski, bro. Obviously, I could buy one if I want to right now, but when I get a crib, maybe in a year. I don't know. It's a lot of thinking. A lot of work to get done, bro. Feel me? But in the meantime, just gotta enjoy it, bro. fun, not gonna cap, bro. Over here looking for this pole. There was a fucking pole over here, bro, that was in the fucking way, bro. I'm over here looking for that shit. Make sure I don't hit that shit, bro. Yo, chat, I'm doing donuts right now, my nigga. Look at this shit. Over here doing donuts right now. Bro, my ass doing donuts right now, bro. Damn. Shit is crazy. Alright, chat, so I'm gonna stop recording right now for a little bit because this fucking camera is about to die, and then I'm gonna get back to y'all. You feel me? Alright, so it's flat, so you feel different. I should just handle this shit right now. Everybody else got off theirs. And they're on the boat. I'm over here right now, I'm just chilling, bro. POV, yo, this is the POV, chat. POV on a jet ski ride, bro. I just start cutting up and shit. Put some cones. What I'm gonna do is, for a video chat, I'm gonna put mad cones and all that floater shit in the water. And just put POV and just start cutting up in that shit, bro. Give y'all boys a POV just like this. jet ski, bro. Mike was not even connected this whole time. Probably can't hear me. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all back when I'm on land, bro, because this camera is dying. So peace out. Catch y'all back later on. Bro, this camera is kind of fucked up right now, bro, because of the water and all that shit, but don't mind that. That shit was a vibe, bro. That shit was lit as hell. No, my ass finna jump inside the Z06. Head to the crib. Damn, chat. Shit was lit as fuck, bro.
Like the whip.
Yeah, appreciate you.
Clean.
Yeah. So yeah, I got your number. I just saved you up. So I'm gonna eat you up
Appreciate you, man.
probably next weekend.
Sounds good. I'll
Pull
be
up.
here whenever.
Alright, bet. What time you be like closing up at?
6 p.m. is the last one.
6?
6, yeah.
But you here in the weekend shit, right?
Nah, weekdays too.
Weekdays?
Every day.
Alright, bet. So yeah, I'll just hit you up.
Give me a heads up, call, make a reservation. Whenever.
Alright, bet.
Appreciate you, bro. Y'all be easy.
Alright, bro. You too, bro. Damn, chat. Alright, chat. So I'm currently back over here in the car, bro. So yeah, finna hop in the Batmobile right now. Now I'm finna head to the crib, bro. Actually, first before I go to the crib, I gotta give it a wash because, you know, I have to get this shit back clean. The wheels are looking super dirty. I can't go inside my building with that shit looking like that. Feel me? So, but I'm not gonna cap to y'all boys and girls and females watch my videos. I don't know, but listen, this was fun as fuck. Y'all will be seeing me giving y'all a lot of different video styles, bro. A lot of different days and shit, bro. A lot of type of video, bro. You feel me? So make sure y'all subscribe and stay tuned for that, because I will be posting a lot more videos like that for y'all. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope y'all do like this type of video. Make sure y'all like and subscribe and turn post notifications on, because I will be posting a lot more videos. So with that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace out.